Gorgeous 3-bedroom condo under $200K plus low monthly fees. In sought-after Province Park second-floor condo. Access to Eastwood Public Course from within the community. So play golf without paying high maintenance fee. Easy access to the Liron Counter bike path for biking and walking. Move-in ready. Freshly painted throughout, new carpeting in all 3 bedrooms. New granite countertop and breakfast bar and kitchen. The owner has spared no expense in making this your new home. The community has many activities during the season. Province Park close to RSW, shopping, restaurants, and beaches.